Caught on camera tonight, 7 passengers being kicked off a flight. Flight attendants claim they were being unruly, but some passengers say it was racial discrimination. The incident started when a black passenger and his companion were escorted off the flight from L.A. to Dallas by officers Monday after an argument with the flight attendant over a seat.
The guy kind of said, hey, I'm not going anywhere.
The flighty said something smart out of his mouth, and the guy said, I'm not talking to you, don't talk to me. And after the guy said that, he said, well, sir, you need to get off this flight.
But it doesn't end there. That's when, according to officers, 5 other black passengers caused a disturbance. Those passengers claim a white flight attendant accused them of being a threat. They were also escorted off the flight. Spirit Airlines says it's investigating the incident and doesn't tolerate any form of discrimination.